Right, so in this question, we are told to um, determine whether the operation is associative. The operation is defined on the set of real numbers by A operation B. If you remember, our operation is defined by A operation B, and that is equal to A plus B plus 2AB. Right, you have to check whether this is associative. Now remember that for associativity, we need to introduce another element. We need two elements, three elements, A, B, C, which are all members of the real numbers. Now, by so doing, we can say that for this operation to be associative, then A operation B operation C should be equal to A operation B operation C. Can do the first one first, the first two first, or do the last two first. So in this case, we have our left hand side here, then our right hand side also here. So we have to evaluate the left hand side and also evaluate the right hand side to see whether they are equal. If they are equal, then it means that our answer, our operation is associative. So for the left hand side, A operation B operation C, doing the first two first. A operation B has already been given in a question, which is A plus B plus 2AB. Let's put this in brackets, and that's operation C. Right. So this is our left hand side. We are still evaluating. So in that case, remember, this whole thing becomes our first term. This is our second term. So it means that to go on, we have our first term, which is A plus B plus 2AB, plus our second term C plus 2 times our first term, which is A plus B plus 2AB, times our second term, which is what? C. So let's put them together and simplify. So we have A plus B plus 2AB plus C plus 2AC plus 2BC plus 2ABC. Right. So that is that for our left hand side. Let's go and bring our right hand side. For our right hand side, we are told that we have A operation B operation C, doing the last two first. So we have A operation. According to the rule, we have B plus C plus 2BC. Right. So we continue. The operation sign is still here. This becomes our first term. This whole thing becomes our second term. In that case, we have A plus B plus C plus 2BC plus 2 times the first term, which is A, times the second term. Permit me to bring it down here, which is B plus C plus 2BC, right? So we expand and simplify. So we have our A plus B plus C plus 2BC plus 2AB plus 2AC plus 2ABC, right? So let's compare what we have for the answer for the right hand side to the left hand side. So this is what we have for the left hand side. So let's do cancellation to see if they are equal. So for the start, we have A plus B. Let's identify A plus B in the left hand side. We have A plus B, so that is done. Let's go. There's C here standing alone. Let's go and look for C term standing alone, C standing alone here. Then we also go and look for 2BC standing alone, 2BC standing alone. We have 2BC standing alone there. Then we have 2AB standing alone. We have 2AB also standing alone. The next one, we have 2AC standing alone. Let's go and look for 2AC standing alone here. Then we have 2ABC standing alone. Let's see if you get that. That is 2AB standing alone. So you realize that both the left hand side and the right hand side are equal. In that case, we can confidently say that since the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, by so doing we mean that since A operation B operation C is equals to A operation B operation C, doing the left first, or the first two first, and doing the last two first is equal, the operation, this one, is associative. So thank you for watching.